So here we go, guys. We're on our way 300 something miles to go look at a motorhome. It's a Beaver. So I don't know. So here we are. Another day. Going to look at another camper. Kelly's so happy. Yesterday was a bust. It didn't work out like we wanted it to. Just a lot of little things all added up, and decided it'd probably be a better, wiser choice not to get it. For one thing, it would only run 45 miles an hour. There was something wrong with the paddle. They did call me back later and tell me they had it fixed, but it was just that in combination with the steps didn't work. Well, the air conditioner didn't work, and what they were asking for it. So we're going back today to look at the first one we looked at, the first Beaver. So we'll see how it goes. So here we go. Coming to the test drive, the Beaver. There sits the Beaver. The Beaver. See how it goes. Well, there it is. It's a 1995 Beaver Marquis. It's mechanically in good condition. It's but you know, it's been sitting, needs a lot of TLC. It's a 95, so you know things are a little dated. The tires are shot. It'll need a new set of tires. That'll be the first stop we make after we purchase it. The paint's not too bad. One side's faded worse than the other, so see what we can do with that. The roof looked a little rough, but I got up there. Everything's very firm, no soft spots. Couldn't find any leaks from the inside or the outside. The generator fires right up. The interior is all solid wood cabinetry. It's made out of a nice stone countertops. It's a beautiful coach on its inside. The couch is a little dated, needs a new chair, some other stuff, needs new flooring, but we'll work on all that. But that's a look from the to the back, and that's the interior look. I think we'll make an offer on it. We made an offer and they accepted. So we made an appointment at the tire center, went and picked it up and dropped it off. Had them to check the alignment and the brakes and some other things. They gave us a clean bill of health and put new tires on it. We picked it up a couple of days later and headed home. We got her home. Now it's time to get to work and get her ready for some road trips. So check back in and watch our upcoming videos.